I am in the exhibition practicum, and we've been working on getting pictures to do exhibits, and there's something coming up in November. It's really exciting, and we're using lots of different sources to put this exhibit on display, and I don't want to give it away, but it's going to be really, really good. And in the meantime, just recently I finished reading a Bintel brief, the one that was published in 1971. Really amazing from the forewords. I had no idea what a Bintel brief was before I came to the book center, and so having read that, I just feel like I've learned 1,000 more things that have to do with being being Jewish and living the Yiddish lifestyle. And I mean, we're going to excerpt some of the letters to the editor from a Bintel brief, and we're going to use them for the exhibition. And I'm really looking forward to doing that, because once it comes together, it's going to be the most amazing exhibit, because it's just like encompassing all the really exciting and like, I guess, I don't know, it's like the pop culture of Yiddish. It's like really fun, and there's no age to it. So just seeing the pictures and reading the stories, it's like designing a storybook on display. It's kind of like what we're doing a little bit.